Hi, I'm Linda Bradley with Princess House, and I come to you today with one of my favorite items that's on a super sale. This is our 13-inch round nonstick griddle. The nonstick surface is formulated without PFOA, so it's safe to use. The griddle is safe on all stovetops, gas, electric, induction, and it's also safe in your oven. It can go up to 350 degrees with the lid and 450 degrees without the lid. I love the size and shape of this because it allows you to cook so easily. You can see how nice and large it is. You can make 5 pancakes in here, 5 grilled cheese sandwiches. You can make your eggs, your meat, and your potato all in one pan for breakfast. You can use it for pizza. In fact, if you use frozen pizza, I highly recommend heating your frozen pizza up on the stovetop, not the oven. It's amazing. You can use it for cookies, cakes, brownies, steak, chicken, or fajitas. We call this the pan that never rests. You'll use it all day long. It's been a fan favorite for years, and now I have a special sale. I use a combination of customer and hostess specials to bring you the best price ever. And this special that I'm offering today is for 4 customers. I'm offering this for $147, including tax and shipping. And you can either pay in full or do payments. You can make 6 payments of $24.50 each, and it's yours. It ships anywhere in the United States, and once it's paid in full, it ships right away. So please reach out to me so that I can help you get this item. I know you've been wanting it.